Winter smiles. A solitary essence, not forged for this world. Who only knew love through death. Thank you. Oh, bless you all. I've worked in various funeral homes. And recently one in Ashwoodley, till the incident that sadly closed it.
A heart attack. You so very well deserved, you bastard!
When could you start?
Yes.
Prepare yourself for this one, Sybil. Just such a waste of a life.
Excuse me. This I've always dreamed of. A beautiful family. You see, I've met someone. Someone I've rather fallen in love with, it seems. I'm gonna have a baby. Everything's all in order, don't you worry. Visiting time is over.
This is my fiancé, and I have every right to be here.
Please leave.
Maybe he's still here somewhere.
I want to find him too.
We both have our little secrets.
Did you see